What's going on, guys? Mathieu here. In today's episode, we're going to be touring the newest community by Anthem Properties, Whitehawk, in the heart of Granite Bay, California. I am Mathieu, Sacramento area real estate specialist. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at mathieu.adams@exprealty.com. If you are watching this video from outside Sacramento area, if you don't know where Granite Bay is a small city northeast of downtown Sacramento, about 30-minute drive. Depending on traffic, you have a high-end restaurant, top-rated schools, access to Lake Folsom, and also about an hour and a half drive to the Lake Tahoe for you ski in winter. The community we're going to be touring today is called Whitehawk, developed by Anthem Properties. It's a 55-lot community gated in the heart of Granite Bay. They're offering 5 different plans ranging from 2,700 square foot to 3,700 square foot with a price point anywhere between $1.25 to $1.45 million. And we're going to be touring 3 different plans today, the plan 2, 3, and 4. And let's go. If we go that direction, we get into the main living space, so we're going to leave it out for a second. To the left side, we have the first half bath. Great for you guys, the single sink vanity. I'm going to make the first right. The first one gets you into the office. Let's move on. Across the way, we have the laundry space, a side-by-side washer and dryer, and you have your sink to pre-wash your clothes. First bedroom, a guest bedroom here. You have your first full bath with a double sink vanity with the same type of stone they put on the guest bathroom, and your shower tub combo. Second bedroom right here. And then we're getting into the ADU portion or the mini apartment suite, which is kind of cool because you have a mini kitchen, a mini area. In-laws staying in town would be perfect. Here you have your little cooktop, your microwave, little ceiling area, obviously TV on the wall right here, and a full bedroom. He has his own walk-in closet, single sink, vanity, and also your freestanding shower. Well, let's explore the rest of the house. Alright, before we get into the main living space here, we have access to the garage here. The garage is going to be right here. Another storage space, your little mud room right there. Check out this gorgeous open concept here with the living room, kitchen in the back, and you have dining room on the left side here. Here's another view of your living room here. Obviously a large sofa area. It can accommodate probably 8 guests very easily. Love this gorgeous fireplace in the bottom here. And moving on, we're getting into the kitchen space area. I love the cabinetry that goes all the way to the ceiling. Really kind of complete the look. Instead of having this opening on the top, sometimes we see just having this complete look all the way to the top. It's always nice. A nice 5-seaters iron. Look at this oversized iron. And on the other side, in terms of appliances, you have your one fridge, your double oven from Cafe Line with 6 burner, the grill on the side, your pot feeders, hood vent underneath here, your dishwasher, extra oven, so you can extra cook. Actually, if this is not enough, you can have an extra oven and the microwave right here, and you have a large pantry with all this built in. Continue on, we're getting into the dining room space set up for 8 people right here, and we're going to go explore the outdoor in a sec. I think they have a decent lot size here. You will get into this community mostly to make friends, and I think arranged properly you might be able to fit a pool for all this mini fireplace here. If you're not a big fan of golfing, a pool will fit probably right here nicely. Alright, that's a look of your backyard. Alright, let's go back in. We're going to explore the last portion of the house, will be the master suite. The master suite is through this little corridor right here. King size bed with a view of your grill and potentially your pool if you desire to have a pool, but quite a bit of natural light here. This is more for the show, I think, because you don't have almost any light on right now, and it's just very, very bright, as you guys can see. If you need a TV, probably on the wall here with these little cedars in the front, so that kind of give you depth perspective how big this room is. And your master suite is right here. Look how gorgeous that is. You have a double sink, separate on 2 different vanities, and the mirrors on each side. A lot of light actually to get ready in the morning. Your freestanding tub, and right in the middle. And I really love this shower because they don't have any ledge to go over. And a nice tile walk all the way to the ceiling here. And lastly, your makeup station or the prep section for the misses or misters. And you have a large walk-in closet. Check this one out. Well, that's it for this model. Let's check the next one right over. Up next is a plan number 3, a 3,400 square foot property, a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath, office and flex garage, flex space. Here's more of a look of modern farmhouse. And check this one out, wow. All right, as you walk into the, right on the right side here, you have your first bedroom, a view of the front. Good for the guest. You have also another 3-bedroom on the other side here, without counting the master. Nice shower, walk-in shower. We have the first half bath. Very nice at the entrance of the house. On the other side, we have the ADU space. They use this space as a mini gym or at-home gym. You have your shower, you have your office. So if you're running an office, if you're running an at-home business, you have your own private entrance right here. Across away from the ADU, you have your wash and dryer and your laundry space. This will give you access to the garage right here. I love how wide this hallway is. They get you to the main living space. It's one big open concept where you have your dining room in the back, your living space, and obviously the big, massive, oversized island right in the middle. 5 cellars in the front, probably an extra one on the side here. And you have your, obviously, your cafe line with your microwave, your oven, your 6-burner right here. I think adding maybe a pot filler here would be a nice addition. Stainless steel under the counter mounted sink, cafe line, dishwasher, quite a beautiful view of your main living space here with all the detailing on the wall. Kind of create a nice little pattern here. And right here you have your walk-in pantry. Continue on with the tour, we have a small living room here to the side. Kind of interesting if you want to do like more like a movie room, maybe an extra bedroom. You have, I think, a closet right here, so maybe you can wall it off and you have your closet right here. But this is an interesting little room, view of your backyard as well. Another bedroom here, a little bit tighter, but it's on a lot of these light fixtures on the side here, look very pretty. And this one is actually a Jack and Jill, so you have your on sink here, missing the door obviously, toilet, you walk in your shower tub combo with green towel, and your vanity. This one is on Your bedroom again. Very tall ceiling, probably I would say 10 to 11 foot ceiling. Here you have a view of your backyard. Again, entertainment with a nice built-in fireplace. Let's have a look. The California room with a coverage, probably a little blind or something just to cut a bit more the sun. But having your fireplace here, maybe a pool right in the middle, and more entertaining space in the back here would be completing the look of this backyard. And let's explore the master suite. This king size bed looks kind of tiny inside this room here. Even though you have a big nightstand on either side, it looks very, very small. But and obviously the nice walking ensuite here. Toilet on the side here, your prep station vanity, and two sinks on either side of the freestanding tub. And I very love what they did with this shower. It's more like a square compared to the other one. It was more like a rectangle, and this one is a square one. You can actually walk in. You have a lot of room inside here. You have an ensuite washer and dryer. Since the house is so big, so you don't have to walk on the other side, having the washer and dryer inside this space would make complete sense. Well, that's it for this manual. Let's explore the last one. And lastly, on the tour of this gorgeous community in Whitehawk, we're going to tour the plan number 4, 3700 square foot, 4 bedroom, 3.5 bath, office, junior ADU, 3-car tandem. Right off the bat, you're going to be drawn in to the back of the room and the living room, the kitchen and the dining room space. We're going to make the first right. On the right here, we have mini closet. We have the junior ADU with a beautiful little sitting area, obviously a TV on the wall, and back around this corner you have 2 extra bedrooms. They all fit a queen size bed. And number 2, and you have your double sink vanity with a nice shower top combo. If we stay on this side, you have half bath that I just glance over, just walking into a junior ADU, a nice single sink vanity. Space is right here. Check out the amount of room you have here. Side by side washer and dryer, your sink to pre-wash your clothes. This is actually your master suite closet, so we're gonna go back in a second. All right, let's explore the rest, and this one we're gonna get into the ADU, junior suite or ADU, a little living quarters for you guests to be a little bit secluded from the rest of the house. Right there you have your ensuite, call your towel pattern on the floor, your walk-in closet, single sink vanity, and your nice little shower. You have a mini breakfast area, and a very functional small kitchen. And also, it's hard to tell, right behind the door of the ADU, you have this own washer and dryer too as well. Let's continue exploring the main living space of this house. And look how gorgeous this kitchen is. We're gonna go through the kitchen right now. Ton of storage and counter space. You have these own pantries in the back here. A 6-seater island, oversized island, white cabinetries, thermador fridge. If this little fridge is not enough, you have another section of the fridge right here for your wine, and more cooking and prep area around the corner right here. Check how much storage and counters and anything you can do in this kitchen. I think it's quite marvelous. I would have added again little pot fillers. I think it's just very useful, but you have your dishwasher underneath the sink here, a 6-burner, a grill, double oven, and you have another oven right here, your microwave. You really want to love to cook if you want to get this house. your dining room space right here. Rounded table. This one, I don't think they emphasize so much on the dining room area. It's mostly the living space and the kitchen connection. The dining room is a little bit more on the smaller side, but if you don't use the dining room as much, then it would be a perfect layout for you guys. All right, in your living space, you have this full beam, and almost you kind of glance over when we walked by it, but it's gorgeous, light fixtures on the top of the entryway, yeah? And massive fireplace with TV on the wall. Well, let's explore this section of the house. We want to finish it off with the backyard and also the master suite. On this side of the house, you have access to your car garage, your mudroom, your dedicated pantry space, office tucked to the side with a view of your backyard. I really love all this model because they thought about the ADU for the multi-generation living. They thought about having an office when you have people still working from home. Even though less popular in 2023, but still. And the backyard is quite gorgeous. You have your sunk-in fireplace right here for a lot of seating. This backyard is massive. It goes all the way around over there. There's a view of your back. Yeah, great room. It looks like you have almost like a window store kind of coverage here, probably for mosquitoes, flies, and kind of create a little bit more cover for the entrance. Your barbecue space on the other side of the fireplace. And let's explore the last room of this house would be your master suite. Your master suite is right here, a nice king-size bed around the corner, a view of your backyard, a lot of natural light. We can add a glance at the master suite master closet. Now we're going to explore it because it was connected also with the laundry space on the other side. Double sink vanity, prep station over there. I love the fact they didn't put the windows right here because actually this is actually the master suite on the other side, but a lot more privacy on this tub. The shower is right here on the narrow side, and you're gonna find out why, because your master closet is actually a U shape. And you're going back on the other side of where you have your prep station and your sink vanity here. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video too. If you have any question, feel free to email me at mathieu.adams@exprealty.com. It's on the screen right now. And if you want to see something else, pick one of these two videos too. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the next one. See ya.